We're now on step 10, which is replace the straight edges of the new path with jagged edges. So we're going to change this segment here to be jagged, tracing over this, and likewise with this. So let's get rid of the Pathfinder panel because it's cluttering things. We don't need it right now. And select the direct selection tool, the white arrow, and just make sure everything's deselected. So click in a blank space. And we're going to select the lower side segment of the new jagged edge path. So this segment right here. With the direct selection tool, you can select and move line segments, not just anchor points. So when we press delete, just press delete on the keyboard, and that will delete just that segment there. Now let's select the pen tool in the tools panel and position the pen tip over the end point of the open path at the outer edge of the record base path. So right here, and you see that slash? It's kind of hard to see here, but it's kind of blinking. But when you see a slash next to the pen, that means you're continuing an existing path. So make sure you see that slash. And then trace over, not exactly, it doesn't need to be exact, but just roughly trace over these jagged edges here. And make sure you're clicking only, no dragging. That creates curves. So you're clicking only, and let's end it. And make sure you're closing the path. You should see that circle there. So close the path like that. And now click in a blank, select the direct selection tool in the tools panel. And click anywhere to deselect all. Select the upper side segment of this jagged edge path and press delete. And now we're going to position the pen over the end point of the open path like this. And we see the slash. It knows that we want to continue an existing path. So we click here. And again, only clicking, no dragging. We don't really care what happens underneath the dancing woman's leg. It's going to be covered up. Let's just go straight to the middle and make sure you see that circle there. And that closes the path. And now let's use another way to deselect all. So it's Command-Shift-A. Command-A is select all. Command-Shift-A is deselect all. There we go. And now file save or Command-S to save it. And that's this step.